but you have to love yourself enough to actually operate on a cash basis. Oh, who out there does impulse spending? Oh, I know a few people that do, including myself. Who doesn't wind up with a spending hangover once in a while? So here are my tips for impulse spending. 1, operate on a cash basis. Why? Because when the cash is gone, even if you get the impulse, you can't do anything about it. Now, I've had people put their credit cards in the freezer. I've had people close their credit card accounts, but you have to love yourself enough to actually operate on a cash basis. That is the first and foremost tip that I would recommend. 2, you need to set up a financial date night with yourself. And if you're married or you're in a relationship and you share money, well, then you need to have a financial date night. Maybe it's that once a month that you sit down and you actually look at your cash flows. And keep in mind, I do not call it a budget. Why? Because a budget makes you feel like you're clamped down, and nobody wants to follow a budget because it doesn't feel good. It's kind of the opposite of impulse spending, isn't it? So I want to make sure that you're having that time because it gives you financial awareness to actually make empowered financial choices and saying, okay, here's where it is. Here's my reality. Now, how do I choose moving forward? And that's the most important part of the financial date night. The third step is I need you to stop focusing on your debt, because impulse spending is usually trying to emotionally satisfy yourself in some way, shape, or form. And that is actually never, ever going to give you the solution. So I need you to take a look at your debt, come up with a game plan, and financially just pay the minimum payments on all the extra interest rates except for your highest one, where you can pay a little extra to. And then when that payment's done, then you structure it and you pay off the next highest interest rate of debt. But I need you to put those debt payments on autopilot, just like your car payment or your house payment just automatically comes out of your checking account. I need you to do your credit cards, your student loans, and everything else like that. Why? Because whatever we give our emotional attention to, we create more of, and that creates more impulse spending. So I hope those 3 tips were super exciting. Come join us at juliemurphy.com. Come join my free workshops, discovery calls. Come join my online course, because we're going to get you to exactly where you want to be financially.
Do you want to experience free coaching based on my 25 plus years as being a financial planner, and ask me any question that you want to ask me to help you get past that hurdle in your financial world? I run these free workshops every other month to start to open you up, to start to help you get to this next place. The information for my free workshop, click the link below and register, and I'll see you on the next workshop.